Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here, mark Clear Browsing Data and now mark all information that you want to get rid of, then Manage Time Range, so just unroll the options and choose the one that you want to apply. In my case, it's all time, the last option, as I want to perform a full cleanup and remove history and the data from the beginning of usage of my browser. Then select Clear Data, confirm, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.